Okay, in this video we are going to see how to create a UI in best practice method. Okay, where is my app explorer? Okay, here first I'll delete the sections which I created. I don't want to create many sections. Instead of creating many sections, I'll create a wrapper section. Okay, just delete it. Why? Because if I want to collect again some other address like delivery partner address, so that again I need to create one more section and I need to again match the properties and all, so I'll not do that, so I'll delete it. Hmm, okay, here I'll create one new section. Address section is already existed, so I'll give the name as I'm wrapping the section, so I'll give another name combining. Let it be the name wise it like that. Okay, creating a framework application to access tab in our implementation application. Okay, all right. And now my properties are available here in the same class, so no need to create a page, so I can directly access here. Okay, okay, let it be. I'll change it. I'll edit it. Country, state, city. That's it. So I created a section. Now I'll access this section using pages. Okay, I'll show you how to do it. Save it. Okay, now I'll go here, refresh all the previous sections which I have deleted. Okay, deleted sections, right? I'll go to user interface sections. Okay, now these are the error messages, so I'll delete these as well. Okay, now use clipboard page. We are accessing from clipboard page. So class is where is my clipboard, where is my wrapper section like command section? It is there in address class. All right, billing address page section. I'll take section as this section. All right, again embedded section, clipboard page. Here, what is the class? Class is address class. So drag down. Now shipping address. Okay, shipping address space. So again, if we want to collect office address or delivery agent address and something all, then we need to create one more page. Then we can add access the page from here. So in which section it is there? Address combination section. Okay, submit. Header, billing address. Okay, shipping address. Submit. Save it. Okay, now the section has been created. Now we have to create a flow and flow action. Okay, flow and flow action. So for that, we don't need to create flow action because this address section only we called there. So no need to create a flow action again. If we wanna create also, it's fine. I'll show you. So where is my flow action? We called that address section only, right? This address section only here. So no need to change anything. Okay, right. Now I'll create a flow. Directly open the flow and try to execute. Run it. Hopefully we'll get error. I'll show you how to clear that error. Customer details section is loaded because we created the screen in manual way. Okay, personal vehicle details. Okay, this also I'll give some data because this is also I did not use section page, right? Okay, submit. Now this is the thing. Here we are not getting any screen. Why? Because we used that section page concept. So the page should be available while we are creating a flow. So what to do? That we are creating a temporary value to here the page. So we need to create here. Double click on here, set properties, billing address space. Okay. So value is null as per otherwise you can give any value. Billing address ABCD. I'll give one more shipping address. Those are the errors we are getting here, right? Billing address page and shipping address value we should give from there the page it will access, so shipping address I'm taking more some give the some value. Now it will work. One clipboard is here, so when the data we are trying to enter in run after running that runtime, so first it will access that from page so that we can give the data. I'll show you now. I'll initiate the transaction, first save it. I'll initiate the transaction. Now first name, it's not mandatory field, so I'm simply going on submitting it. Okay, submit. I want to see whether my user interface working or fine or not. Okay, okay, submit. No, it's not coming. Okay, we'll see. Give null value. We'll see. Okay, I think this is the mistake I have done here. Okay, they're calling that clipboard, but why it's not working? Submit. Once again, I'll close this. No, I'll see. I'll see and come back. Okay, here we are getting this error, right? For that we need to create a clipboard as I told you earlier. So where to create my clipboard? This is my flow. I'm opening the flow. So here I created clipboard, but while I'm giving the properties, so I'm giving direct billing address page property. How it will take? It's a page, right? I have to give them property value. So give dot and down arrow. So give some state value. Some I'm giving some example. I don't want to consider whatever the data I'm giving now. I want to see the screen ultimate. My goal is to see the screen ultimate. So okay. So now what I'll do here is I'll simply s- submit it. Now I'll execute my flow. First save it, run it. Now it will work. See, first customer detail screen is coming. Next vehicle detail screen is also coming. Next the address screen is coming. So simple. We have to create a one section in our data class. Then we need to embed the pages in the section. Okay, that's it. First we created section here. Then we create already available one section is there. We embedded that section by using page concept, clipboard concept as well. Okay, that's all. See, I'll show you once again what we did. I'll go on App Studio, then it will refresh automatic. Dev Studio. So I created a section here. The section name is in user interface category. I created a section called combinational section. So what is this combination section means? The section which contains address values by using page concept we can access we can use this section n times. No need to create different sections. For that I have deleted the existing sections here, billing section, billing address section and shipping address section. If we want to collect delivery agent address section, so we need to create once again, but I don't want to create once again, so that I'm using this concept. For that I deleted those billing and shipping address concept. I kept this address section as it is. Then I created a address section by using embedding the section with clipboard concept. How I did, I'll show you. I went to structural, I used embedded section concept. So I'll use it again, but I'll not save it. I'll for here use current page context. Okay, instead of that I took clipboard concept. Where is my class? I created the class in address class. I chosen this address class. Okay, that second one I think the first one is wrong one. Okay, clipboard page, down arrow. What is my clipboard page? Billing address page or shipping address page or personal vehicle details page, whatever I want I'll choose. Okay, if I want to create collect office address, so I need to first create a page, then I can access from here. Section by name, so section I selected as address combination section which I created now, and then submitted. I try to execute the flow, but it's thrown the error. Then I added the clipboard there. That's all. I'll show that one also. Wait. After doing these changes, I tried to execute my flow. Okay. I executed the flow. I got error. To avoid that error, I created a clipboard here. So why I need to create a clipboard here is, so without having the clipboard values, it will not run the section which we created because we used the concept of clipboard. To avoid that, I have given some random values. First of all, it will take random values so that it will load on clipboard page, then it will access from there. Then our transaction will execute. That's all. Okay. In this video, we are going to see how